Hello, what's up my friends? This is your pharmacist Sidra and welcome to my channel Ask Your Pharmacist, where I talk all about health and pharmacy. Today I'm going to talk all about skincare. Now you may think, wait, what? Pharmacist and skincare? Yes, that makes complete sense because community pharmacists play a significant role in helping patients to maintain the health of their skin. We can help you by counseling about the importance of appropriate skincare, risk of sun exposure. We can recommend you appropriate sunscreens, over-the-counter acne medications, and hydrating agents, and much more. So stick with me till the end of this video as I'm going to talk about appropriate skincare and we'll share my 5 tips for healthy and glowing skin. Guys, skin is the largest organ of your body. It makes sense to take good care of it. And healthy skin comes with lifestyle, healthy diet, and good skin care. Alright, so the first lifestyle change you need to get a healthy skin is to reduce stress. Stress has such an impact on skin, and I've personally experienced that when I'm stressed, I have more breakouts. So how exactly is that stress causes breakouts? Well, when you're stressed, you're producing a lot more of this hormone known as cortisol, which is also called the stress hormone. Under normal circumstances, we produce very small amounts of it, but when we're stressed, we produce a lot more of it. And guess what? Cortisol can cause inflammation and it can also increase the amount of oil your oil glands are producing, and that can lead to breakouts. Other than breakouts, stress can also make a lot of skin conditions worse, things like eczema, rosacea, or psoriasis. So it's a good idea to reduce your stress. Well, I understand it's easier said than done, but what are a few things we can do? So guys, it's a fact that you cannot completely eliminate stress because that would mean you need to stop living, stop working, and stop all relations. Well, that's not possible. Realize that stress is a normal part of your life. It's going to be there, but what we can change is the way we react to it and how we manage our stress on day-to-day basis. Personally, for me, the biggest game changer is meditation, breathing, and just accepting that there are certain events we can't control. Well, if you want to learn more about my tips on stress management, I have a video on it. Please do check that out. I'm not going to spend more time on stress management in this video because then it will go out of context. For now, let's jump into next lifestyle modification. Alright, so exercise more often. Now, exercise is not something all of us love. I don't love exercise either, but I try to exercise at least 2 to 3 times a week because you know what? It not only has health benefits, but skin benefits too. Remember how I talked about cortisol hormone and how it impacts your skin? So exercise can actually help reduce cortisol. Reduced cortisol meaning reduced chances of breakouts and skin issues related to stress. But guys, not only that, when you're exercising, you're boosting your blood circulation, and that can help your skin cells to get more oxygen and more nutrients. So exercise definitely does make a big difference when it comes to healthy skin. Now, if exercising is something that doesn't fit in your lifestyle, don't stress out about it. You don't have to exercise every single day. Take small steps to make it a habit, and then you can start to increase it. Like with my everyday routine, I don't get time to work out or exercise every single day. And especially after my back surgery, I couldn't work out for at least a year. I gained weight and I felt terrible. But I gathered myself, started with physical therapy, and eventually started exercising. And guess what? I lost 30 pounds in 3 months only. Well, if you are interested to learn about my weight loss journey, I will put a video out. I think it is in my to-do list sometime next week. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so next up is to protect your skin from the sun. This is actually a big one as there is not only risk of sunburn, but due to excessive exposure to sun, your skin shows early signs of aging. So it's very important to apply sunscreen not only on a hot day, but also on cloudy day, as sun damage can happen on a cloudy day and also when you're sitting indoors next to a window. Sun damage can happen even if you have dark skin. Just remember, no one is immune from sun damage. So it's important to wear sunscreen. Now, selecting a sunscreen is not exactly an easy task. There are a few things to consider, but don't worry, I got you covered. I have a video that can easily guide you on how to pick a sunblock, so go check that out. Alright, so next is hydration. Drink plenty of water, and by that I mean at least a gallon or 8 glasses of water. No matter what skin type you have, hydration is very important for your complexion. Although some individuals naturally have dry skin type, but there are other factors like change in season, environmental irritants, not drinking enough water, or even harmful products on your face. Also, your skin gets dry as you age because now your skin slows the production of many beneficial substances that naturally help to keep your face hydrated. So your skin starts to show signs of dryness and ultimately wrinkles are formed. Now, why should you care about hydration? Well, because having an adequately hydrated face will help to improve skin elasticity, which will reduce the appearance of wrinkles. In fact, dehydrated skin produces more oil because it is compensating for a lack of moisture. So first and foremost, be sure you're drinking an adequate amount of water each and every day. You can also use hyaluronic acid containing moisturizers. It's actually my favorite because it has so many benefits. Like hyaluronic acid helps reduce visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. It helps retain moisture to the skin and just helps creating a plumping effect that we all love. Alright, so now comes my 5 tips that I recommend as a pharmacist and are actually part of my skincare regimen for a healthy and glowy skin. I recommend cleansing at night so you can get rid of any dirt or makeup or oil from your skin, because a good skin cleanser removes these impurities and give your skin a fresh look. Toners can help close pores and tighten cell gaps after cleansing, reducing the penetration of impurities and environmental contaminants into skin. Toners also replace skin's natural pH balance and improves the tone of the skin. And personally, my favorite toner is rose water. It's all natural, great to prevent skin irritation, reduces redness, blackheads or whiteheads. And above all, I like my rose water as a toner because it's better than using chemical-based toners, which might dry out your skin. I recommend exfoliating every once in a while. It unclogs the pores, it prevents acne, helps skincare products penetrate deeper, and it evens the skin tone. And I personally like using facial razor to exfoliate. Yes, a razor, because that can help get rid of any peach fuzz and dead skin cells, and literally they're cost effective, and I did not experience any hair growth. Like my facial hair grows back just like normal. So no matter what skin type you have, it's very important to moisturize. It fights wrinkle and make your skin young and healthier looking. Sunscreen is very important. Like I mentioned earlier, it prevents sun damage, signs of aging, and skin cancer. I literally never leave my house without a sunblock and reapply it every couple of hours if I'm exposed to sun. Alright, so there you have it, my tips on healthier and glowy skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you found this informative, do give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate you. Please do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video with another informative topic on health and pharmacy. Until then, take care. Bye.